Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short story based on present perfect continuous tense. Let us start story number 1. Jimmy sings with the boys choir at his church. Jimmy has a good singing voice. He has been singing since he was very young. He has been singing with the boys choir for the past 3 years. He likes to sing with the choir. Lately, the choir has been practicing many new songs. They have been learning songs for their Christmas performance. They have been practicing 2 hours every day for the last 2 weeks. They have been working very hard. Story number 2. Nick has been playing the game of marbles since he was 5 years old. He likes to play marbles. He plays with the other kids. He also teaches other kids how to play the game. Lately, he has been teaching Brian how to play marbles. He has been teaching Brian all the rules of the game. He has been teaching Brian how to win. Brian is Nick's friend. Recently, he has been learning to play marbles. He has been wishing to play the game for many years. The past few days, his friend Nick has been teaching him how to play marbles. It is a fun game. Story number 3. Marcus travels to Los Angeles a lot for work. In fact, he has been traveling to Los Angeles once a month for over a year. Every time he travels to Los Angeles, he stays at the same hotel. He likes the service at this hotel. He has been staying at this hotel at least 5 days every month for over a year. Marcus's favorite employee at the hotel is Benjamin. Benjamin has been working at this hotel for 2 years. He usually works as a bellhop, but lately he has been training for a new job. For the past 2 weeks, Benjamin has been training to become the assistant manager of the hotel. Marcus is proud of Benjamin because he knows Benjamin has been working hard the last 2 years. Story number 4. Ruth and Martha are best friends. They have been spending time together since they were young girls. Every morning, they get dressed and walk to the post office together. They have been walking together to the post office every morning for the past 10 years. Lately, Martha has not been feeling well. Ruth has been walking to the post office alone each morning. Then she visits Martha at home. She has been bringing Martha her meals every morning for 2 weeks. She hopes Martha feels better soon. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.